Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: account credentials, server address, and preferred protocol. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and select VPN to add a new connection. Choose the protocol your provider recommends, that affects speed and security, then enter the server name, your username, and password. Once done, toggle Remember My Sign-In info so you don't retype credentials. Make sure to set the connection type correctly. Wrong protocol prevents negotiation and wastes time. Next, you configure the middle, more complex options. If you need local printers or NAS access, enable split tunneling. Otherwise, route all traffic through the VPN for privacy. Change DNS to the provider's secure servers to avoid leaks. Install any TAP or driver software the provider supplies. Windows often blocks those without admin permission. Also enable a kill switch or adjust firewall rules to block traffic if the VPN drops. These steps prevent leaks and maintain consistent protection. Finally, click Connect and verify success by checking your public IP or the provider app status. If it connects, run a quick leak test and confirm access to required resources. If connection fails, switch protocols, for example from IKEV2 to OpenVPN, or restart the TAP adapter and retry. Many issues are fixed by protocol fallbacks or rebooting network services. If problems persist, check provider logs and Windows Event Viewer for error codes. Then contact support with those details for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.